Hey yo, what up, good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, I'm not alone today, guys. I've got you guys, Utro, Lil K, and King P.
Oh yeah, bro.
Let's keep on.
Number one.
Nandi, my gents. Welcome to Mipo Media studio.
Shout out, Doggy.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, and by the way, gents, Sino CJ go backstage, so he will be tapping in like from time to time.
Okay.
Hola, Tasiklis.
Oh yeah,
Nandi.
Danko.
Yo, tell me nganyamaza zakho wathathe vayinhle.
Awuyazi baba. Rip.
Ayilo baba. Too much, baba. Yeah. Okay. Asiqale yifele gents. Enhlekenhle King P ubani enhlekenhle. And how did you come about with this name, like a King P?
Mina ngintana like asi. Il bitso ke Pontsho. Sifane, yeah. Pontsho sifane ke Ramela. Yeah, ngintana ikasi ke plonga kona lady, right? So with the music journey, ke tla bia jwang man. Like I found myself like ngisase intwana ne, like we used to have my family gatherings lapha endlini.
Sure.
And I used to be the one who controller the sound.
Okay.
I used to chill like next to the speaker and just monitoring the sound. So I've always had that thing ukuthi ngifuna ukujabulisa abantu yabo. So that's when I realized ukuthi okay man, ngiyayithanda the sound. What more can I actually get from, doing this thing? Yeah, so Boma 2009, 2010, that's when I started like taking this DJing thing serious. And then 2010, Langas Biza Kona King P. I remember there was a match, Ewelala, and it be World Cup.
Sure, yeah.
Spain bezidlala nani? Ngikhohle Spain bezidlala nani. So Spain must get to win. Ngaphuma benya somewhere. Kone bangithumeni, ngathi bangithumela ice cream or something.
Sure.
From that, ngazibiza King P.
Okay.
It's a funny story, but yeah, that's how it happened. From there on, angithi besasena bo mix it nan. Even my mixed name, dog, it was King P.
King P. Oh, it's
so
always
I've always been King P. Yeah, and then 2014 I tapped into e-production because I felt like I knew enough about DJ, so I wanted to like challenge myself more. Okay, let me just tap into music production and then bengenzani. My first love is actually deep house. Yeah, le ama broken beat. Yabo, you know abo Calvin Falo, abo Tino Cafe.
Yes.
La Machita se Asepitori. Yeah, that was like the influence that actually made me to get into music. So ngasha leso style leso, and then I evolved with like e-wave yala South Africa. So mangeni commercial ngizamile commercial, mangeni igqom nayo ngayishaya, hip hop nayo, you remember about 2015 that era. Bese ngishaya ama beat awe hip hop and just to sort of like diversify my musicality. Ngahlala intweni eyi-1. Yazi yangena ipiano 2019 ngayishaya ipiano fidi until vandag.
Oh yeah, bro.
Okay, and when True Lil K, what's your real name, dog?
My real name Keketso. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my real name Keketso Njaka. The name Lil K iphuma kwenye outside ami kanje yengayile fele. I would say mentor yami uTrue Craig ngithola.
True Craig.
Yeah.
Okay. Shout out.
Shout out. Yeah, yengayile gama cause Ekasi vele behlezi like he's a producer, he's an engineer and so bengihlezi ngisase intwana nyara kuye vela record amajita ama-hotman nan till vele nami ngimtshela ukuthi hayi uyazini mfethu awungibhalele nami kayiwani ngithi ngibangene la from ukuthi angibize Lil K, obvious the K iphuma kugama lami Keketso.
Okay.
And the time ngisakhula bengisasengaka bengicabanga ukuthi ngithola so that Lil iphuma la ngithola
Okay.
yeah. So iqale kanjalo and ngicale vele nge hip hop.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you started. I remember there was a song of yours that I listened to, and which was pretty dope. I don't
Yeah.
wanna lie. Wake up. It's
Ay,
Yeah, it's one of the gems. Yeah.
ngifeature uye ke ucrack lapha. C2. Yeah, wake up. Yeah. Ngishaya hip hop vele ngashaya hip hop then mangizongena ku piano kula ngishaya ingoma ama number kuphela.
Okay.
Yeah, nge-2019 vele isangena ipiano ngashaya ama number kuphela mphethu CRB la. Yeah. Phethu CRB yiyo ingoma ke eyangifaka ke especially la eKasi.
Okay.
Sifuna ama number kuphela yeah. Yiyo ingoma eya trenda then later on mangiloku vele ngabona ukuthi hayi man ipiano man ziyakhala kumnandi kula ngishaya ingoma futhi noJobe Landani wayiningalala emakhaya. Yeah, ngiyawuza ka wonke abantu bayasishala into lezo. Mawungaya ku YouTube ubheke ya ungene ku YouTube yami uzobona ukuthi ama number kuphela newayiningalala emakhaya.
Yeah.
Mawusearcha nje uzobona ukuthi ubani. Uye le phansi.
Yeah.
Uzobona ukuthi yimi ke cause like lot of people bebangacavi ukuthi Fede Lil K ubani. Yeah, so uye lo bafethu. Danko.
Okay. And ngoba nihlale eKaseliwana, how did you guys like meet when no-two gents? Nihlangane kanjani Nhleke?
Now I'll change la. The behind the scenes.
Obani.
Easy beats.
Okay. Yeah.
He's our mutual friend. Yeah. So I knew him through Easy very long time. Cause Lil K, baby, nginokumthola da students aka Easy very basipana bo.
Okay.
So bacava da ukuthi okay, I'm also a producer as well. So that's how we got to work. Yeah.
Yeah, shout out Easy Beats. Yeah,
The mediator, man. Okay, Lil K, tell me, dog. You've been like a versatile person, like or tanda like tap into style, or it was a thing of vele. I always like loved mhlambe like jive like uvese ingoma engathi ziyajive because hip hop I'm a dance move are fun.
Yeah.
You see when you compare it to mawujive mhlambe hip hop piano are fun like you've always been that type of person like who've been versatile, or it was a thing of I've always loved like ukuthi nje ngishukumisa umzimba and stuff like that, like into switches like from hip hop to amapiano. What was the real drive?
Okay, ukutshela ivari nje yami ne. Hip hop bengincanywa like too much, but as soon as the piano mayingena and like before even piano angithi kuye kwangena igqom. Yeah, cause ngaye negqom nayo ngengashaya ingomanyana ezithu.
Okay.
So ngabona ukuthi hayi man, even when I perform lengoma lezi vele sijabisa abantu nani I think yiyo lento le mele ngistick kuyo for no ngithola, cause obviously na ku hip hop uyazi iya differ na hip hop ngishale hip hop le kujabisa abantu nakhona ngithola. So ngavele ngathini etsingingene enhle ku piano cause ipiano mfethu hayi zakhala
Zakhala.
Yeah, so yiyo lento le vele I'm versatile sibale nanoma ungaza ngenye beat yani nani ngingena konke as long as ngizojayivisa abantu or abantu bazothanda whatever ngiyenze the way. Yeah. So I'm a versatile artist, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are we ever like gonna get like a hip hop song from you? Because you've been dropping a piano recently, like a piano in one way.
Yeah, last
catalog,
last time in dropping ngoma no lude DJ no Masoweto. Ikwaito le like ikwaito straight yaseKasi ngithola. So naku hip hop kuyadependa ukuthi hip hop mara mina ngifuna le hip hop enobukwaito nyana ngisashayile ngithole
umzonkonko.
Yeah, ngishaya umzonkonko kahle sure.
Okay. Then on a King P, like what type of music like would you say like you produce like when mainly maskuluma like King P, like is it to King P ushaya Spanish so?
At the moment, I'd say I'm a piano.
Okay.
At the moment. But that doesn't mean I'm only limiting myself to piano. I also do what you call this, step.
What's that?
Yeah.
What's that? Dog?
Afro house.
Okay.
So it's this new subgenre that's
Okay.
been catching fire. So yeah.
Okay.
So Mangsha step, usually I'm working with my brother Udade, chaotic DJ. So yeah, Mangna Shy step because I know that when I'm solo, people are just like mainly focusing on my piano side. Yeah, but so ngithanda ukuzibhoxa man. Ngifuna yangithola. I believe I'm a musician, dog. I don't want to just be known for piano nje kuphela. Ngithanda ukuzichallenge, I mean. So to answer your question, yeah, ngishaya piano mara I'm open to ezinye izinto. Ngithola nama Afrobeat ngiyashaya here. Ngithola. Yeah. It's a lot, yo. Yeah.
And how like you're like ubani hlekhle like yakufundisa producer, like who was like that mentor, would you say is this was the person maybe I look up to, and the person that was also like physically with you, like trying to teach you like in this fun and about Fruity Loops and etc. Like
Cubase.
Yes, Cubase, like all of those. Is what should I call it? I'm an application of making beats and recording.
To be honest, no one was there in the beginning.
Bro.
No one was there, Joe. So I had to take the initiative to teach myself, not knowing ukuthi YouTube ngayicounta as umuntu.
Should busha ma online training.
Ngithola ama online tutorial
Yeah.
just to sort of like,
Oh.
you know, if I understand something, I'll just like quickly search ukuthi how do you do this, and then the tutorial just pops up. But
Yeah.
basically, I'm self-taught. I'm someone who's curious, Joe, in general. If I want to know something, I'm gonna know it. Ukuthi yenzakala kanjani.
Yeah.
That's how I also got to. Ayizwa le sound yamanje mfethu.
Yeah,
Ayi,
yeah.
mina even ngifuna ukwazi into ngizoyicawa. Ngithanda ukupressa, ngithanda ukuexperimenta. I'm that kind of a person, yabo. So I think into engisizile nje to be where I am today is because of the curiosity, the desire to want to know something. Yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm self-taught.
YouTube uyasiza these days.
Like
Yeah,
like-
apply.
Yeah, we learning
Very
a lot
useful.
from YouTube.
Yeah.
Asihlale sibuka amaphone.
It's not even permitted to YouTube before. Even if you were to write that name and say it's gonna be a problem. Yeah. Okay.
But funny enough, dog, like I've recently had people like that I approached, like Dala. Ukuthi bafethu ngicela lingisizeni
Yeah.
1 2 3. Yibo sebaza kimi manje.
Yeah.
Bathi dog, how do you do this? Kanjani amalanga afana mfethu.
Yo, tell me. dog.
Bekuyikopho manje
Hey,
sekuyiteli.
so we did. And tell me, dog, how does it feel, dog? Like, how does it feel? Yo, shit, that nigga used to shit on me and sleep on me.
Obvious,
Look at
phakathi
now.
I'm like, dog, mara nawe yakhumbula mfethu benidinga ngithola. Why now, dog?
Why now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But
yeah,
because
yeah.
of your personality, I mean, I'm a very chilled person. I was just like, you know, like I need snacks.
Yeah.
I need snacks.
Sure.
Spanish.
But like, we move on, dog. You know.
So I need Jade, because like there are a lot of people like who come from Ezola that were representing Soweto,
Yeah.
and who were the people that inspired you, Yekasi? Not entirely of maybe the type of music that they make, but with how they got to be where maybe they are today, or where they were able to reach and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like, who were those type of people that had like such influence on you guys?
Like us,
Yeah.
I mean, on my side, I'd say DJ Toyota.
Okay.
And all. Like I said, ukuthi mina ngisaseyintwana vele I used to like makuna ma family gathering benokuhlala phambi kwepika ngisicontrol sound nani yabo yeah so ekasi obvious bekuno DJ Toyota sasekhona namanje feel obvious bekanokuplug ayenza ama event nani you know I used to be like okay one day ngifuna ukuba there I want to do this thing yabo fit benginosithola nasesikela mfethu ngithrow ipika mfethu kantsona ezinye intwana masithrowa imoto nani mina bengithrow ipika mfethu ngithrow ipika ama-top ama-bass yabo so like I think it's my calling bro you know ukuthi no I have to do this thing Joe like besides music mfethu angazi yabo so for me ekasi nje as far as I can remember or think of right now, yeah, DJ Toyota nje ngithola because like obviously namanye ama-hotman ekasi ngithola just that manje ayekile yabona but like yeah ama-hotman wethu nje like kasi nje yabona bakhona ukuthi aspush ngithola and to also you know take us off like izinto ezi-wrong dog
Yeah, sure.
because music dog music can save you from like a lot of things and I believe that if music bongekho mfethu maybe ngabe ngibhema boma something yabo
Shit. Yo,
Yeah,
strongly
so-
believe in that, dog.
fun because the way I'm so focused on music dog like inkhohlisa izinto ezibhaya yabo like you become so occupied bro to a point where like you forget like a lot of stuff so
Yeah, man.
Moses wanga to feel it down or how busy enough or you know you can always go back to you know and express yourself you know, so-
Or you are ahead. Because Batla ahead.
yeah
Yeah.
So namfana ke as ke chelo umthonke ntsengame mfana ke namthong inspiring like too much bro yeah to crack ke nanjaka then le majita vela ne respana lona because I was the youngest one da ku group ne repeats nele True Crack Entertainment that was ne ke spanela under yena video
That was not a label, dog.
yeah
It wasn't a label.
nese label nele
Okay.
fela yeah mara nele yena obviously o producer ngwetsi o make sure music wa rona
okay, yeah.
wangithola wa
Okay.
pusha and everything
Yeah,
so
sure,
yeah ke na account le ma hotman amanga ilong ngivele na pusha bo infectist bo Sbuda P wangithola
Yeah.
majitaka sivela na
Yeah,
pusha
yeah.
so nakubona bang inspired ngore ke gcine kungcanywa like soul music ikitsho it's you know what because I used to play soccer bra yeah I used to be good player bra
Yo, you
next
say
one
so,
number
dog.
10 yeah ayabaziyo bazokutshela
Yeah, sure.
Kaiser yeah khakha bebangibiza kanjalo ngishawutene mngani wami so ngayeke idisk vele ngasitshela ukuthini yazini hayi mina ngifocusa ku music tot namanje ngisasela sure
Okay, no. And dogs, I don't know, gents. Like, there's this. I don't know. Should I say it's a genre or what? Iskicha. What type of style is that, dog? Like music unjan, like iskicha. In your own perspective, like according to your own views. As much as he's an artist, you are an artist. He's a producer. Sorry, yeah.
iskija ipiano
Piano, okay.
subgenre ipiano
Okay.
but obviously iskija is mainly driven by percussion ne-lock drum
Okay.
i-groovy iskija se-groovy yanthola and I would say isound yami most likely iwela ngada
Oh.
ebuskijeni
Okay.
yanthola mara obviously sengiyideshenyana nami ngazenzela isubgenre nyana yasekasi yangithola siyibiza ifuego
Fuego
But, yeah.
Okay.
yiyo ke
Yeah.
esipusha
skija inspired yeah so iskija ungathi inamba yanthola yakangimamela inamba mfethu yanthola yeah sometimes singaba soulful iskija sometimes not you know but iskija se-groovy yanthola
zakhala ba
Okay.
zakhala
Okay. Tell me, Lulki,
Yeah.
dog. Do you have a brand, dog? Because there was this brand that you used to wear.
Yeah.
True Swag clothing.
yeah
Is it yours?
yeah it's my brand bro
Okay.
yeah
We call it,
it was
dog.
established ka 2013.
2013.
Yeah, even now isasekhona True Swag. Yeah,
Okay.
True Swag clothing.
Because mina lesikhathi ngiqala ukwazi ebephusha yona mfethu
Yeah.
like na lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people are wearing that brand.
Yeah, nentse re pusha ne ke pusha le outsengnyana ya ka siya re pusha makasana vele ne trenda too much then it happened to re nna le ntanga vele azange sa hlola re va kaofela ntsola yeah cause wila chief ta ka yi vele cause nele yena o leng ke pusha le yena nna ke le music yena wa nthola o delivera batho so after that ne se ke sa gone ho pusha music le brand kana go iwana I had to choose or no ke focus o eng that's why ke le ka emisa nyane True Swag mara ke ro khana mara ne se ke sa hlola ke yeah ke distributor ke paisa mara no ntse re spanela mo dancing and chantol yeah.
And another thing, dog, obviously, like we've got big brands like Nike, Adidas.
Yeah.
You see, it's just a lot of them.
Yeah.
But just to name few.
Yeah.
What inspired you, like, bro, like to do your own brand? Because you might be obviously as much as, because in Alento we would see if like you are not drip, like you must wear Nike, you must wear this and that. So what inspired you, like, to start your own thing and even like just to dress up and just show it to the people, though, regardless of what they don't know, because you put it on while people they did not know about it up until they knew about it. And so what inspired you and like just to
inspiring Jaka Koring before about True Swag fella True Swag clothing it was Lil K True Swag.
Okay.
Meaning being as ngi brand bengi shayela brand yami bengiphusha igama lami kahle kahle ngebrand till sengibona ukuthini na igama lami vele selidawo yangithola la bengilifuna khona ithi ngiaccommodate wonke abantu ngikhiphe iLK ngivele ngishaye kube iTrue Swag clothing cause lapho cause abanye abantu mfethu yazi egasi futhi kunjani nyeke let's say amajita umjito omunye nye anyeka ayibhayi ibrand because of ithi LK uthi hayi man nyeke ngigcoke into ebhalele LK True Swag wangithola but makuyi True Swag only accommodate abantu ababhayi ngithola so kula vele seyiphusha khona ke because of the time kusase LK True Swag begcoka bogele kuphela like a lot of girls used to rock my brand
to rock it out.
Okay,
and while on that, dog, ushukuthi abantu obviously they've got this idea you would say I can't wait and talk about and stuff like that. Like what would you say, Nina Jens, like what has been like the challenges that you came across? Because to make it out like it's kind of difficult because you get a lot of negativity as much as you said. So what are the things that you guys like had to go through like to get to where you are now, and how did you overcome such things?
Yo, bro, discipline, dog. Discipline, go easy, dog, nowadays to like fall into easy into, you know, like there's a lot happening nowadays, you know. You like things are easily accessible right now.
True.
And you can find yourself like usemgodini. Ngiyangithola like ongabanzima ukuthi uphume ku. Ngiyangithola. So this is why I've been saying without music, dog, I could have been in one of those mgodis. Ngiyangithola. So music ngokwayo because keep them busy. Ufake ne discipline. Ngiyangithola. And I also, you know, believe ukuthi I'm the way I am because of discipline, dog. Ngiyangithola. Like if over occupied entweni, dog, and focus on it, uzokhohla ngezinto ezibhayi. Because if ubusy usha beat, when are you gonna get the time to think of, hey, it's inyozami nyawupe. Asikho isikhathi sokucabanga lento le because occupied, Joe. and uyayithanda lento le. So as soon as you find into uyithandayo something that you're passionate about, then uzoba ne-discipline, automatically
Yeah.
kuzoba easier ukuthi ukhona uku-achieve into uphume la ekasi.
Yeah.
Yangithola. Another thing is that as abantu abaphume ekasi, or let me just say like unknown people, like we face a lot of rejection.
Yeah, true.
Especially
True.
especially if you're not known. Yeah, this new kid, you know, uthi wenza music wena, wenza music movie. Hayi wena ungazositshela.
I'm a
Yabo.
gatekeeper.
So until you prove yourself, so it's up until you prove yourself to the people ukuthi lento le othi uyayenza userious ngayo.
Yeah, you're passionate about it.
Uyangithola. That's when they're gonna take you serious. But
Yeah.
it's unlikely that uzo approach umuntu uthi sho Hotman ngenza music. Yeah, ngicela ungimamele. Yabo, 1 out of 10 times it happens ukuthi okay, ube nelakhi umuntu akumamele. But 9 out of 10 times, Joe, you would have to like work on proving ukuthi okay, lento le othi uyayenza vele.
Sure.
So that's how people take you serious, and that's how you eventually like go out of the hood and like start making it and start being recognized and things like that. Yeah.
And do you feel like in order for you like to achieve something, is it like a necessity for one like to get out of a comfort zone?
Yeah, for sure. People like being comfortable, and being comfortable results in you doing the same thing over and over again.
True.
And so on. So you need change. Change is not easy. Change is uncomfortable. You understand? So to answer your question, yeah, vele kwamele uphume ku comfort zone.
Sure.
Yeah.
So that you experience the change. Like there's so much that's out there that you don't really know about.
Yeah.
But like once you find out, uzobona ukuthi khona into eso bengazi ukuthi kungenzakala into so na so. Yabo. So yeah, that's very important. I'm like personally I'm someone ongathandi change kakhulu, but like I also found myself like adapting to, you know, to like izinto ezenzakalayo around me, and like just moving with the times, you know, like adapt. Awuna choice mfethu. Semhlabeni dog. Phuma kuleyo comfort zone.
Yeah, ne?
And thought.
Also need challenge. If you're meeting other people, labenza the same thing when
You get to grow.
Uluziphume wena ukuthi different.
Yeah.
People need to recognize you ngento yakho. Uyangithola.
And now K, didn't you have like dreams to become something? Because obviously there's this thing of when like we grow up very we get to a space whereby you get to say what would you like to be? Like you see, so there was never something like that like with you. It's always been music, because I heard you were playing soccer and stuff like that, but music took over. It migrated like your focus from soccer to music, you see. So there was nothing like that you wanted to be maybe a doctor. And
mfana mawukhula vele sasemntwana uzoba nawo vele ukuthi amangikhula ngifuna ukuba ini. Mara mina as soon as vele ngibona indaba le music ukuthi mfana le yiyo like ke dream yakha ya music wanthola kuyona ntwe ke tshwetseng wareng ke focus ko yona wanthola because lesigela mfethu re pushitse after that mara still ka focus mo music wanthola. So I think music ke yona mfana equating everything for namfethu re ke focus o yona prior.
And by doctor.
Because of now, even good music, good music, like the music hiyo ela phezulu. It's kusana good music uyakhona ukuthi ushaye event. Wenzeni like ikufaka kwinto ezibhayi music nje yami uyangithola. So sidila ngalento lezo vele.
Don't you think ibhola linemali more than music?
Hayi ibhola linemali mara mngani wami mawuceda ukulemala mfana.
Oh, he problem
yeah after mawuqeda ukulimala kuphelile
Philile.
Kapi.
so music mfethu ungawushana noma una 100 years bra yeah makuyinto yakho ka
Yeah.
into yakho
Yeah.
sibalenda
Yeah.
music
Living.
music uyabona ngikhiphe like ezingishilo ingoma yami kudala like my first song le ngikhiphe kudala namanje mawungayisearch uzwayithola music
still there.
uhlezi ukhona bra yami uyangithola
Oh, yeah.
yeah so yeah
No, dog. Like music is life, dog.
It's
Just
life,
to
Brian.
Simplify what you're saying.
Yeah.
Music is life, dog. That's all.
You know what they say? They say music is it's the first important thing out of unimportant things.
Yeah.
That's music.
It feels like I'm back to school now.
But like think about it.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
sir.
You don't
Yeah.
literally need music to live.
Yeah.
But you need it, you know? It's that sort of a thing.
And tell me, guys, because yabona uqeda mention something ukuthi gusoka masolimali like it's chai.
Yeah.
Yabo. With music also there are things like that, dog. There are things like mama one hit wonders. You see. So like okay, I do get it, Toguchi. If you're passionate about it, definitely you will make another hit.
Yeah.
That's just like that's
Yeah.
that's just a showcase, dog. But we've seen people who came and go, especially like in the Amapiano space, dog. So what are you guys like learning like from that? Because like I could name a lot, dog, but I don't want to name drop. But
It's
you
very
guys know.
difficult to keep it heat.
Yes.
Hit after hit.
No, that's not, bro. It can never.
Nah.
You can't release hits after hits, dog. So what I'm trying to say, what are you guys learning like from the cats that have came in the game and who have proven themselves for good, okay, or who have made my hits, but still, if you were to search them now, they're not even dropping and they're not even nowhere to be found.
yazi
to be found,
bakhathwa
dog.
yini like abantu abanjalo mngani wami
Yeah.
bakhathwa ukuthi mawuceda ukushaya ihit umuntu uyarelaxa ngithola akumelanga urelaxe
Oh,
mngani
yeah.
akumelanga urelaxe mawuceda ukushaya mfethu ihit iyazela abantu yibo abazo-approve wena yenza umusic omnandi uyangithola shayela umusic kwazi ukuthi mawuse studio make sure ukuthi le ngoma le mayijayivisa nina la e-studio it's a hit already ukuthi maso uyikhipha abantu yibo bazo-approve obvious ukuthi hayi le yi-hit or akusiyi-hit mara wena uyazi ukuthi usishayela ama-hit waya
Yeah, to add on to the entire show, Ndwana. Some of like I'm a one hit wonder. I want to like. Phela bona manje ku industry spot. Ooh,
Yeah.
sine internet you know.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Umuntu angangishaya ivideo ngikhuluma into edizinyana mfethu
Yeah.
ngithende.
Yeah.
The
True.
next thing lento leyo
Yes.
or that phrase
Yeah.
it becomes a song.
It's
Yeah.
a song. Yeah.
Now you have all this attention, you don't know what to do with the attention. Awuna media training, awenza music, awazi ukubhala. Now you have to find people to write songs for you. Now you have to find producers. Now you have to find managers. Sebayagropa because awazi next in fact. So maybe abanye abantu bagcina sebayeka because of such reasons. It's because basithole sebasentweni la bebangekho ready ukuthi
Yeah.
like bangaba kusho.
yeah
Uyangithola. So yeah, it's unfortunate for some but ish. Mama uthola ichance nje njengoba shilo akumelanga ustop mfethu kumele uye so.
Must use it, ne?
Yeah, and uma ukuthola vele uyi musician
Yeah.
like leyo opportunity kumele uhambe ngayo so.
You run with it.
Anton. Yeah.
Okay. You mentioned ukuthi ugowaspana noJobe London. Umcavela vawundanga, dog. How do you get such a contact, dog? Because there are a lot of people who wish to baspane naye, but obviously they are not as lucky as you were. You see.
oh afili uJobe yawuthi yasekhasilami ngara eMapitla ya ngine-family ngara eMapitla kahle vele besikhula ezingishilo bengidlala idisc noJobe bekadlala ibhola ngithola ya mara yena obviously angithi uGotnyana kimi so mara vele besibloma na nekhona enye out yami uThabo Thato ya ukuthi ngibe close naye uJobe ke it's because of uThabo Thato lo shaye Thabo amahasha wama ya lo ya besihlezi siva sonke vele especially uJobe makaceda ukushala ingoma yakhe isuke endleleni ya besiva sonke because nami ngula ngikhipha ama number kuphela and yeah so ngimcave vele ngara ikasi mara ukuthi sivaye sonke sisipane ya untwana uThabo Thato ngihlanganise naye.
Okay, and I've seen now you've been working with him because there are songs like Istimela, yes, even in Ipezgwendli, your hit song, Ipezgwendli, dog. We're still gonna get to it. Yeah, Istimela, dog. Wena uhlangane kanjani ukuthi ugcine sosipana nayo London Fed?
uJobe ngimazi ngo there's a guy that used to manage Mr. Nation things, Wandile. Yeah, Wandile once brought uJobe London a studio sami. Baza no Nation vele. Bazo propose ispan. So that's how I got to know him. Yeah.
Okay. While so velo mention Mr. Nation things, dog. Buffett. Let me take you back to the time you were trending and featuring a Tholakele, dog. How did that song came about, gents? Because you guys are both on it. And it became a hit song.
Hey, Tholakele, like we had a session
Yeah.
with Mr. Nation.
Okay.
Yeah, that gave me that. We made 3 songs that day.
Okay.
Imali.
Big vocals.
Imali. Yeah, nice.
And whenever that's just out in us.
Yeah, 4 tracks actually.
4 tracks.
Yeah.
Tholakele, funny enough, it was the last track.
Yeah.
And when I played that beat, most of the giants were asleep. They were asleep, like. Wakatshela amachita uneshina ona vukile nasanto ulthing
Yeah.
Yeah, so I played that beat because it was also like getting late. Like they had to vibe. So uneshine washia a hook, just the hook.
Okay.
Before everything else.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, also there was also verse in Autiamba 2 piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there was this verse there, and then uNation walesa ihook. Obvious ma the next day ngamthumela ama writing ama premix alengoma lezi is producile is shayile. And then yeah, man, they posted the song, dancing to the song, and then the next thing, you know, and the song was not even done by the time it was trending.
The song was not even out.
It wasn't out. It wasn't done.
It wasn't even done.
Yeah.
It wasn't
him
done.
Fagila space. Yeah.
So he had to come back and add a verse because now the song is catching fire. Now we have to have a full song.
Yeah.
Yeah. The time it trend abengakapheli le ngoma leyo. Cause nami ngesikhathi ngidlala emagigini bengidlala in a hook. Ingana outing beka mamila mathatha. That part wasn't there.
So nikhiphe kanjani ingoma ingaphela?
It wasn't out. I was playing
Bengakaphumi
it as
vele.
exclusive.
It was just a clip.
Yeah.
I wanted
Just a
to.
clip.
Yeah.
Me, because I'm also a DJ.
Yeah.
I was just testing out the song.
Yes, I done.
Even if it was incomplete. Because of the catchy hook. That's all. I wanted people to hear that. Okay, these are the guys.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. And so,
Yeah, like go produce uKimpino Ocastomot. Yeah.
Customers.
Khona enye uthi to Ocastomot. Nayo yathela.
Yeah. So when uzofaka ivesi vele uyazi ukuthi hey hits leli ngeke la
Angithi-
ngiyangena.
Thina la besisonke
yabona
kule
that
session.
thing yeah mshaye yo like wonke ama track iswashaye that amanye like asakhona namanje we still gonna and I'm still gonna drop like siyesa share ukuthi
Okay.
le yakabani le yaka Kimpino banibani
Okay.
le yaka Lil K uyangithola uNation wathi yena uthatha ini itholakele then wa keep itholakele mina le sishayile nara thing sayiphethe and then nayo ya trenda ngama clip lawo eTikTok uyangithola mara sikaka ikhiphi yeah yenye into esenza ukuthi like ingoma zethu sigijime mfana hayi TikTok mfana
TikTok.
hayi
Play a huge role in it.
Very
Yeah,
resourceful.
aye.
Joe. Very resourceful.
But abanye bayacomplaina ngayo bathi like TikTok inokuvele nje ikubhene noma like but it's so violated like community guidelines and stuff like that. They talk bad of it. And you guys are outside.
You can't smoke hardly when you're on a TikTok live.
Hey.
Bappy,
Like it's got
thina
ama-
sikhipha music
Yeah.
kuphela uthiyami ku TikTok ezibhaya
ezibhaya.
sishayela content egrand uyangithola yeah
Abacomplainayo maybe abanye abantu abashaya like different content.
yeah
Like doing my live streams and stuff like that.
Yeah. And dog, I don't know if like you're aware of this. It has got like most people dog know your face and when like they see you it's okay no King P ngoma le. But most of them even nama artists like they like calling out your name like goma track they like calling out your name you see but abanye abantu baba nalento ukuthi they don't know what's your contribution on some kwezinye ingoma ukuthi what is it that you have done and stuff like that kutholakele wenze endaweni ushaye i-beat or you produced the song.
Yeah, composition of the beat, the whole song nje ne-out more customers like he said. Mina ngishaya ama beat out yami.
You're a beat maker kahle kahle.
Yes. I'm also a DJ. Sometimes unoku-edda nyana ivocal enyana. Nada mangijabulile. Uyanthola? Yeah. Lento leyo ukuthi abantu babiza igama lami.
Yes, because mabalindele ukuthi uzofaka iverse mfethu.
Some people think that like ngiyabatshela ukuthi bafethu i-chin ngengomini yami. And it doesn't work like that. Like I feel like igama lami is like one of the most easiest name to call out.
Okay.
Like it's easy to fit my name into like a lyric. I think that's why like maybe like most of them they find themselves like you know instead of like having a long name and like you know I think that's just the thing. But I don't have a problem with it. I mean it's dope, you know.
It's dope, man.
And shout out to the gents. Yo, I don't take it very lightly, yo. Like push.
From your perspective of being like a producer and a beat maker, what is it that you are, because there's someone who's watching want to work with you, what is it that oibegayo like artists that you would like to collaborate with, or people that you associate yourself with or make songs with? Like what is it that you're looking for like artists in general?
Yeah, ngithanda ubu unique, I mean.
Okay.
And being different, like standing out, and not just with the producers but also with the vocalists, because I feel that we have ama inspiration and influences, you know, asal ukuthi ubani bana anga inspire, but don't end up sounding like that person. I mean, if for example, if usawunda njengo Too Short, why mele ngispane nawe ungakhona ukuthola Too Short for example, so it's those kind of things. Like I need someone akhona ukuthi abe different, because nami ngiyakhona ukuthi ngibe different, yabona ngizele ngesitala sami. Not to say that I'm disregarding everyone who uyangithola, but just that from a producer's perspective njengoba ushilo, like mangimamela umuntu ayenza something and I'm like I had someone obekacula kanje like emva kwayizolo. Even today I'm having the same style, but it's a different person. Yabo bese umuntu azibuza ukuthi why does it take so long ukuthi like nibe successful or to like make it, uyangithola. Kanti it's just like those smaller yana things ukuthi okay man uzibheke man ukuthi mawenza into usounda njengobani. Uyangithola. Fair ibane inspiration like I'm saying, but like ungasound njengaleyo muntu because someone has heard that before. And now when they hear it from you it's going to be like dog, I heard it from Spanban. I give us something different. This is why I also believe ukuthi music wami ukhona ukuthola attention is because of sound different. Like someone is able to pick up with okay, this is King P. And so it's because of being different. I think industry value is looking for that. Someone who's gonna come with something different. That's how you grab their attention.
But also, mentioned Lil K, there are things like people who gatekeep the game, like who are gatekeepers. So how are you gonna reach out if you're facing such? You can be unique, but still, how are you gonna make it to the pinnacle if it's still the fact that you know what? There are even gatekeepers that gonna buzz
if you are that good, bazokuthatha.
You say so, dog.
Game is if you are that good, because what they also curious of is how you do what you are doing. Ile nto lezo yenza ukuthi bakubiza bafuna ukusipala nawo because usound different angithi. So bazofuna ukubona ukuthi what is it that's different that this guy is doing that we are not doing. Yiyo lento zoyenza ukuthi bakuqoma. But now bazokuthatha kanjani if usounda maybe njengokabza for example. Now it's going to be like we know that we don't need him. Singam gatekeeper so to speak. Yabo. Mara mo different nje yami. Chelivar game izokuqoma. Ayina chance izokuqoma game.
Okay. No. Ngizwa kahle Thama. Ngizwa kahle. And I also heard ukuthi you are event organizer.
Yeah.
Are you still hosting events, dog? Are you
Yeah, dog. Njengoba shilo ukuthi yabona uma wenza music in fact you find yourself like within amanye ama-career within your career ngithola social event
yes
ngithola into ezinjalo so vele feel sashaya ama-event esawashaya about once or twice in a year you know or even 3 times if things are going good but ngiyashaya feel ama-event vele ngisipana nezinja zami feel yabo especially movement asekasi in fact you know just trying to make it out there you know
sisasekasi nje Thama. Lil K, there were these events that were called Amawala Day and I think they were hosted like Pekaslak. What happens to those events, dog? What happens to those events?
I think I think uKarabo uye like bekaphethe already akasekho ku space entertainment is doing something else so I think bavele bayivala akasekho ku entertainment nje music nani sekaphusha into zakhe so that's why ingasekho already angithi thina sikhona
also the wave is changing times are changing
phela already into zakudala vele nayo I don't wanna lie you esenza ukuthi like inspiring
the reason I'm bringing it up because it played a huge role some of the song besizizwa khona
yastoka olare nginokusithola la mfana ngimile ngimamela amachita DJ yane ethi
mara
ya mixa funa ukumixa so
shit
mara yabona la mapatu olare mfana yo
spirit
super nice
spirit
mara at least manje angithi thina sesikhona ke abantu sabaphethe nice amapatu ethu nawo olare 2.0
2.0 okay no he mentioned Luigi did finish school. Did you, dog?
Finish school?
Yes sir.
Degree nyana irelaxile la
endlini bro
enjoy
it
nyana maybe kumele ngiyisule nyana degree I used to study operations management.
Okay.
It's also known as manufacturing engineering, production engineering.
Okay.
In terms of manufacturing I used to do it AUJ. I got COVID 2020.
Like, where is the necessity of an artist like to finish school or maybe try to venture out hlampe kwezinye izinto apart from music, dog?
The music kuba ngathi uyagembula phela at the same time because you don't know. And it's very unfortunate that akusi wonke umuntu ozoblow up. Sad truth, bro. Ungayenza music your whole life waiting for your breakthrough. Can't
yes.
Unfortunately, like your life, but it's not all of us that are gonna make it. So kuzokusiza ukuthi like kube ne backup nyana in case of, not to say that you don't believe in what you do or like I'll invest into like your dreams or whatever, you know, but just be safe, just in case anything happens.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's the
which is
necessity
true, man.
of
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah, and
studying.
I'm making music, but things didn't work out.
Yeah,
You
bro.
see.
Maybe you were meant to be,
Yeah.
you know, where you are right now. You know, yonke into inerezini, ama-journey awafani.
Awafana, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Awafani.
When
Yeah,
I'm
I
in like according to when, as much as I should say, music is like gambling. So if you were to, as much as you guys like are popping now, if you were to
Yeah.
become far more bigger than what you are now, and just and be there, like like now,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you know what, like I'm in my prime, dog. You see, because there's that moment where you feel like what,
Yeah.
I'm at my prime, like that's
Yeah.
where I'm at right now.
Yeah.
I'm at the top, and no one can take me.
Yeah.
Boy. So like, what is it that you would try and maybe try to something that you would do like to sustain your career in case if things go sideways or stuff like that?
Mfana na ko chayile varen jaka.
Yeah.
Ke ntse mbuka business prior ka wantsola. Yeah.
Yeah.
Business, I'm business minded prior ka. That's why I wanna keep pushing the clothing, everything. I don't like to be broke, bruh. Yeah. That's why I like to not. That's why I like yo. Na machita mayazi, bruh. Yo, ang thanda ukuba stranded, bruh. So yeah.
Uzobalekelwa amacheru, broke.
Besides that, yeah. So
Yeah.
if vele as utsho ngikaba ko prime nyaka vele ke tlo investa mo business bra, like di bantu tse nka investa ngotsona property, like ntho tse power ngithola. Yeah, property ke one of tsona. Pinedi business le yona phela since ne wa bona le guidance ya clothing, like fashion abo yona. Yeah, di buy ntho tse since ne ke tlo explore le bo tsona. Le nna no na TV ke la le my own YouTube channel, Saga TV. Yeah,
I saw.
Yeah, Saga TV since ne ke tlo push le ona movement music, fashion, lifestyle on all. Like di pa ntho tse ke di etsang le sentse ke tlo di etsa la se ke le da wang tshol. Mara nantja kai, as long as ke pusha gets all paper, ke yona ntshweleng important njalo. Yeah.
Isaga TV ngani? Uyenzani la ku?
Okay, da Isaga TV, it's all about music. Ngisazo ya like
Oh, yeah.
shapa the interview vele tsa di artist ga bontsha le di eventing. Yeah, le fashion vie re tshakela bona batho ba di clothing brand go di studio tsa bona re batla bona lifestyle obviously ke re le mnateng vele mang o apereng o etsang wa ngthola o tumekang. So yeah, ke yona idea ya Saga TV.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so yeah.
Okay, dog. Yo, I see Mvana. Mvana, recently you've got the hit song, basically, that's popping like in the streets currently, dog. You feel me? Well, I've saw you've been dropping and you keep on like making numbers with your dropping, but there's this song, mfethu. Depends going on, mfethu. Let's first start there. What is that song about, dog? Like to someone also because I think when like they don't know the actual meaning. Good, what were you guys like trying to convey like with the song actually? Because even the music video in Chingisa like Niseka see and stuff like that. So was there something that you were trying to convey like with that song or what? Let's first start there.
Pesguelo is basically a Kasi anthem.
Okay.
Yeah, man, the song is all about having fun, Joe.
Yeah.
Like we having fun. Java Pesguelo.
Yeah. Parting to the
We just wanna have fun.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So in a good video, like we are born and now we're just having fun. It's chilly like Kasi. Like ama lyrics avalana ne music video, like just the way it says, you know, like just sort of like depicting like lifestyle yasekasi, our own definition of having fun.
Yeah.
Umnandi mfethu sifuna ukujayiva. You must dance, you know. Yeah, you must say.
And besides the fact ukuthi
Yeah.
obviously you know Mr. Jay-Z Q. Did you know that song was gonna be big like that? Like besides ukuthi there are even like big names like on the song. Because there's a ngoma, because abanye baba like I felt it from the studio ukuthi this one ke hit.
Ukutshela evaro program.
Yeah.
I believe like yabona ingoma
Yeah.
ngizwa from the studio, Joe.
Yeah.
Here's one thing about me, ne.
Okay.
Angithanda ukuzikhohlisa mfethu. If something doesn't sound dope from the studio, let's go back to the drawing board.
Okay. Okay.
And tell I'm that kind of a guy, Joe. Like so ingoma mayimnandi like angithandi ukushaya ingoma awkward.
Yeah.
Angithola. You know those awkward sounding songs like yo, why idlala le ngoma? Why am I hearing this part? Ish. I don't like feeling like that, Joe. So to answer your question, iphezulu Joe ngizwe from the studio. And bayangazi mina ke abasipana nami ukuthi
Yeah.
mina ngihlanya from the studio.
Yeah.
And ngizosho vele
Yeah,
ukuthi
ukuthi
le nizobona
Gear.
bafethu.
oh
And the very most like yabo, not to say that I can tell the future or blah
Yeah.
blah whatever, but like
oh you vision.
ngivele ngifeel positive.
Yeah. Sure.
Le ngoma le it sounded dope, Joe. Like, I believe vele ukuthi izoba big.
Yeah.
So iphezulu dog ngizwe from the studio ukuthi ya le. Ngize ngayipost yabona ku TikTok.
Yeah.
Anyabona imuva kancane. After about 3 weeks, month.
Just like
Zakha.
Ngathi I knew it.
You knew it, eh?
A good song is a good song, Joe.
Yeah.
You can't deny it. So I always had the feeling, man. Like most of my songs, man. Like I ngifuna leyo feeling ngithola. Like mangicede ingoma ukuthi yo fun. Le iyashaya izogijima.
Zakha.
And also, tell me about your link up with Mr. Jay-Z Q and the and like the privilege that you had of ukuthi ugcina usipana naye enhleke like tell me about that, dog.
The link up, yeah, yiyo vele phezulu feed. Ngithola.
Okay.
Yeah. Yiyo phezulu.
Who called who here? Who called who? Who reached out to who?
I did.
Okay.
I did. Yeah, but I low-key sort of like got like a heads up. Young tall, look at baba. Hot man likes your stuff, you know.
Okay.
So just reach out and hear what he says. Cause uyazi mfethu ama-hot man athanda ukumezana kakhulu ngithola.
Especially in a
Like kudala sidima ama-hot man ngithola. And angiwakwateli ama-hot man are busy, Joe.
yeah, ne?
And to like busy ama-hot man talk. I'm realizing now ukuthi yo, once you get like to a certain level, like ezinye izinto Joe, right? Uyangithola like
Yeah.
isikhathi asatholakala dog uyangithola. So yeah man, like I'm saying ukuthi yeah man, I kind of like got a heads up uyangithola ngathi key. Let me hit up the hot man, hear what he says, you know. Funny enough dog, when I hit up the hot man, he replied like within 10 minutes. I'm like, okay. Yeah, somewhere, no. Yeah, and then we kept the conversation going, you know. I proposed to work with him and he did agree. And then Sada Guya student Sakevela, Shais Nyingoma V, like I think we have like 7 if not 8 songs, bro. Because like we also have an EP coming up as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
Damn, bro.
Piers Gwendolyn is like the singer from there. So
Okay, from there.
there are other songs coming.
Shit. And we saw the likes of Casper during his gaming, playing Piers Gwen.
Yeah.
I should go to the dope song. Because you just said it now, though. A dope song, we can never debate about that, though. If,
No,
if the song is dope, it's dope.
No, my dope.
Nah,
feel me?
njalo vele.
So it's like that, dog. So what was your reaction for it? To be played by Casper?
Oh yes, Casper, play my song.
Imagine, dog.
Yeah, young Todd.
Imagine.
Yeah, like it was a good feeling, dog. And Nah, ngathanda ukuspana naye feed ngithola ukuthi man yeah because ngiyabona ukuthi naye feed uversatile ngithola. Yeah dog so but yeah to answer your question it was a great feeling dog.
Yeah, ne?
It was a great feeling. But time and again like hey because like ezinye izinto I believe imazenzakala.
Yeah, true, eh?
Vele. Like looking back, like 5 years back, Joe. Like,
You never thought it'd be, yeah, ne?
but now it's like, oh,
It's happening.
Kushuguchi, you have this thing, young child, to listen to like such things like that, able to instill confidence, more confidence in
Yeah.
your work. You believe more in what you do, and you have much more hope that you're gonna make it. So that's me right now. I'm there, Joe.
And then Abo Umiyano no Killer Punch, how did they become part of the song, man? Because you proposed to Mr. Jizzy Q. Then, Bona, how do they come in, like in the conversation?
So, how do I put this? Khona khotman lam ne, bathi ubhiki.
Okay.
Ubhiki uyongibuzile wathi eJoe. Awufuni usipana nomiyano noKhia. I feel it's in his machita.
Okay.
Come back.
Ati.
It's in his machita tea.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause so when they came, yeah, I was just back on. And so the song was actually done at my studio. Yeah, he was there. So yeah, Amachita they came and that was actually the first song, Joe.
Okay.
And so yeah. It was actually the first song. But mama qedukishaya ngathi abafeature this one is the one. Ngathi okay, Amachita. And ngicishe ngangayifaki le beat. Cause it was just an instrumental at first. This is why you see like two versions.
Okay.
There's Pezgwendlu, there's Ladybug. But it's the same song. So Ladybug is the Pezgwendlu version without the vocals. Yeah. Cause like iqale yagijima ingena vocal. So mangilifaka lela beat ngathi ay ithingizwe. If bayalifambula ngiyadelete. Ngiyamthola. Yeah. Kanti abazoyenza zona ngathi this is what I was looking for. Have you ever looked for something but you don't know that you were looking for that? Ngathi ngitholile lento mara bengazi ngifuna lento. But I got it. That was Pezgwendlu. From there sayaqhubekisa ngamachita feed.
Lil K, I'm not sure if dog like is it only me who's saying this thing, dog. Like most of like amapiano artists, dog. They also tap to DJing, dog. We see a lot of amapiano artists being DJs at the same time, dog. And when you compare them to hip hop artists, they don't do that, dog. They don't. Like we've got none like Utolo that I know of. I don't know. So that I know of, there's none that I know or hip hop artists, but Tologusi we DJ. Yeah, so
yeah.
Yenzi you are in dating or something because you are a piano artist. If it's yes, Yenzi you are in.
Abanye mfana mina lewe ngibona ngakhona mfana.
Yeah.
Ngibona ngathi mfana abanye not ukuthi ngiyibeka kabi ne.
Okay.
Mara ngibona ngathi abanye bafila ngathi man music abayenze zona phaya.
Okay.
Uyangithola. That's why sebafuna nokuthini bangene nabo DJ mara abanye la udala bayenza vele ngamention maybe Angelique maybe MKs labo abantu ke bathu bayilongogale ba DJ uyangithola mara bebakena le ubinenge be di vocalist so baba no akutsebo go ba inspire ke bona batho ba bapele ore ba hloleya kada hubina straight without gore ba kene ba DJ wangithola so na nka se gone ya ga because na ke artist prior ke artist straight
enye into ne ufuna amagig
yeah
abanye abantu baya DJ for the sake of amagig they just want to be booked and like just play for the sake of playing because I believe abanye nje they're not passionate about it bafuna nje to stay relevant and keep up with the relevance.
So if a book was as a combo what Uzocula phinda DJ.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean they
abanye
do that.
bayenza
Uzodlala nengoma zakhe.
Uyenza ne.
Yeah.
Yeah, unjeli uyenza lento leyo.
Yeah.
Uzodlala nengoma zakhe
Yeah.
futhi phezulu.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So uthola ukuthi maybe mabamgayi hour.
Hmm.
Uzothi 40 minutes izoba set yami.
Mm.
20 ngizoperform ingoma zami. Yabo. So yeah.
Yeah, iyasipana
So that's sort of a
nakanjalo.
thing.
And I saw there's a song that you were teasing recently, I think on Facebook. I don't know who's that guy. Is the freshman Ace or something?
Oh, Franz Manix. Yeah,
Yeah.
intwana yami, yeah.
Yeah. What's
yeah.
coming, dog? Let the people
Oh.
know what's coming.
Hey,
dog.
Bafit. Yaphumi to we're dropping i-track month ending. Ngiphethe uKimpi, ngiphethe Easy Beats, ngiphethe no Franzman Ace. Aziyakhala, so yeah, I'm dropping isingele yami enye cause ngidrope i-two touch last time bengifeature Easy Beats. Yeah, nesaha nayo iphumile, phethe uKimpi no Augusto lapho. Manje kuzophuma yona yethu dropping this month, yeah. Iyo ke igijimayo ezophuma manje. Sure.
Dog, I saw there was a moment. I don't know who was that, dog. I want to. I wish I had my phone on me. Oh, it's here. I don't know if I should. There was a post that I saw. This cutting shooter. I don't know if Besan 80 and a shooter in a music video. There was this other lady. I don't know if was it your mom with Jay-Z Q. Now,
That's my mom.
that's
bro.
your mom, dog.
That's my mom, bro.
Bro, what is she saying like in all of this, man? That's what I want to know. Like, what is she saying? Seeing this, all of this like happening, dog. Like, what is her reaction? What is she telling you, dog?
Obviously, when it comes to music, dog,
Yo, Betty.
you know the rent. You know when
Yeah,
it comes
sure,
to music, dog,
Yeah, yes, sir.
they need you to prove that this thing is working because
Mm.
during their era, things were not happening like this.
Yeah, it was impossible to think you
Yo,
would see from
bad.
someone from the
Ukuthi
hood.
umuntu
kid to-
angafuna ukuba i-artist unless
Yes.
if you come from like a privileged family.
Yes, that's yes,
So-
yes. Into siyaziyo leyo.
That day ubonile ukuthi okay, hayi lento le possible, lento le uyayenza.
Yeah.
Lo muntu akhona ukuthi avale istrate for the sake of a music video, Joe. Even masenza ama event, she can see the support that we get there. Okay. We have something going on like us and Tola. So she's a proud mom, I really have to say.
And this question goes to the both of you. What has been like your biggest like achievement, like from where you started up until now? What are the things that you'd say, you know what, Aish, bro, I still can't get that out of my mind. I'm so grateful that happened. Let's start with you, dog.
Okay. Firstly, okay. Firstly, nja kana ntho chailang elungore. Like it achievement by on tola mfana I don't wanna lie like
Yeah.
fan base prior on tola. Na on my side, ke la lore like since ke la lo drop after na kona like ya nseksa drop vele on tola cause ke push ntho tse ding tsa ka ma side but now as vele ke tlo dropa it lo ba ntho e leng hore ke sha consistent mara support bra na even if nkanka maybe let me say get a each 5 months ke sa drop exciting but akala ke post akere ziyakhala man
Ziyakhala.
support everything even ka di events I know mfethu like support ke ntho engwe e leng hore ke ithola and through that support VA wa tseba mfethu le lo qaviwa and wa tseba o qaviwa o thola le di gigs and everything yeah ke khona lo pusha ntho tsa ka tse leng hore ai tse ding ka se di name hore ke thotse eng ka thola nganthola mara ya fresh
Yeah, but
ai fresh ai
yeah, okay, and yeah, with you, dog.
Like you said, dog, the support, you know, from the moment we dropped Itolageli, you know, I took that like as a milestone because it was like, I'd say it was the first track that like got that much attention. Yeah, we did have other songs previously, but they were not as big as what it was. So that was like one of the achievements for me. And from there going forward, I've been very consistent with the music, trying to keep up with like the pressure. Mfethu khipha umlilo mfethu. Ezinye izinto ezilandelayo kumele zibe umlilo. Yabo. Yeah, dog, and also winning like I'm a competition, you know, because like I'm someone who used to like also again I'm a competition and so I post online, dog.
Yeah.
I was like on the top 3 of what's this alcohol brand? Hooch.
Yeah, Hooch.
Hooch.
Yeah.
They did competition of like, you know, winner, you like they'll get to play go Oship. It's a event bahamba ngeskepe da but like the whole weekend I'm told like, that sort of a thing. Yeah, so I was the top 3. I was chosen for piano, then another guy was chosen for Igqom, then another one was chosen for house, and then we had to get our votes C3. Unfortunately I didn't make it, but for the fact that I was chosen to represent piano. You know, out of like so many mixes that were submitted, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, there was also another competition. I made a hip hop beat within 30 minutes. I won that. So these smaller things, I'm told, like, you just can't like, it's boost the confidence in you. You're going somewhere. Ambitious now, I keep any competition. Anyway, no, I had to do Ingoma, no, Miss Pooh, you know.
What happened?
Till this day, dog, I'm still waiting for a follow-up. Because, like, I submitted the beat, they liked the beat, dog.
You won the competition?
Yeah, but it wasn't announced.
Shit.
It wasn't announced, you know. But the kias are like that.
Do you feel like that's
Not
also...
that. Angibuzanga ukuthi nyadrop, anyadrop.
Good luck, we're still coming. Man, which one is this one? Now we're still coming,
Yeah,
Chief.
fair, okay.
We're still coming, Chief, man.
Yeah, young taller, like an achievement for me, it doesn't have to be like something big and tall. Just like those smaller steps in future. Mawuhlanganisa those small steps in future. Ziba is step single.
Yeah, sure.
So I'm grateful for everything, Joe.
But don't you feel like that's like a gatekeeping? Because
What?
they didn't announce what was happening with the competition. They just like when
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know.
you
Bro.
don't know, eh?
I don't know.
And gents, like tell me, looking back from where you guys like started, as much as we should know bigger, like 5 years, like they didn't know me, dog. You feel me? Now people like Jay-Z Q know you, dog. You feel me? So looking back from where like you started up until where you are now, ungaba encourage kanjani abantu that nabo who are still starting? Because there's someone, as much as when you are where you are now, someone who can't look producer right now, dog. You feel me? So how are you gonna like if I was to give you a chance like to encourage such people, Ugut, you know what, these things takes time, dog. It's not just an overnight thing that's gonna happen like in just with the blinking of an eye, you see. So what would you say like to someone like that?
Yeah, what I learned to it's not easy, Joe. It doesn't happen within a blink of an eye.
Yeah.
Yabo. Keep going, Joe. Yabo. Rejection is I feel it. Like
Yeah,
did
ne?
mention, Joe.
Yeah.
But now, don't quit. Because someone said,
Consistency
nah.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be consistent.
No, it takes someone to say, yes, I feel this thing.
Yeah.
To sort of like validate what you're doing and be like, okay. When into in a sense, yeah.
Yeah.
Because into a borayo when not cause of
Yeah.
So it's just a matter of like find your audience
Yeah.
and see what your audience likes. You know, and just work with it. But don't ever quit, in fact, especially if you're passionate.
Yeah.
And so passionate mfethu. So let it drive you. Don't quit.
Kumele ube consistent.
Noma sizizwa ngathi sifuna ukuquita nathi.
Hey,
Yeah, siyazibuyisa yabo sibuye emandleni jo.
Yeah.
Because things happen, like even in as much as I am where I am right now,
Yeah.
I still face rejection here and there. Izinto ezifana nabo gatekeeping, but like dog, I'm not gonna stop going because
Yeah.
sengila mfethu, and it means ukuthi
Yes.
abanye,
Yes.
they maybe they feel like a bit threatened by what's coming, by what I'm doing.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
omunye umuntu instead of ukuthi afuna ukucollaborate nawe,
Sure, yeah.
ufuna ukuhlula.
Yes, that's the thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people don't want to collaborate. They want to be better than you.
That's the thing.
That's where the gatekeeping comes from. So mfethu siyasiqinisa mfethu sinamachita wethu mfethu aboleke bakhona boiza bakasto abotipitsa mfethu sibabaya mfethu anthola. So siyakhuthazana mfethu here and there. Dog, you got this. You know what I mean? So
kushuthi mabayi accept i-rejection ingabenzi baquit.
Yeah, sure.
And
I had
into
to
emnandi-
accept. Noma ngayithandi rejection, I had to accept. Anthola. I don't like someone saying no to me. Why are you saying no, dog? Don't say no,
You
can't say no.
Don't say no.
Hayi lento emnandi mfana esishilo uyangithola internet Brian.
Yeah, ne?
Nanoma ama
Powerful
gatekeeper angaba khona mara internet mfana yiyo enza izinto zenzakala uyangithola. Nanoma umuntu angayenzana ayenzeni afuna ukukuvalela. Makuyazi ukuthi internet baba
Uzopusha ku-internet.
uzopusha bazojive abantu nanoma uvalile uzobuyijayivele lengoma leyo na
Yeah.
uzuvule angithi bovala ama gate
So vele grand nisawadinga ama recording labels.
Yeah.
Because-
Yeah. Do you think like it is
Nowadays-
still relevant?
Yeah. Because
Nowadays,
nowadays you can push yourself go social
Yeah,
media.
there's no
Very
need.
true, very
Yes.
true, but it depends on umuntu ukuthi yena ufuna ukachieve what. Angithi phela like some record labels, they have like resources to provide things that you don't have.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Abanye abantu, they sign with record labels to get those things and use them to their advantage. So that depend ukuthi ubani ufuna ini ufuna ukuyenzani lento leyo. Just as long as you know what you're doing and you know what you're getting yourself into. That's all it is, bro.
Okay.
So now, what would you recommend, like in your own perspective? What would you recommend? Is it better like to sign a record deal or just uspanele and just push it?
Push yourself.
Ungasayina file mara usayina idile njani?
Yeah, ne?
Phela people just sign nje noma yini mfethu and they don't know. Nokuthi usipana nomuntu onjani, I think it's important that like if you're going to sign a record label, understand the person that you're working with. What kind of a person they are. Izinto abazifunayo nani. Umuntu ambona ukuthi lo
Yeah.
Red flag.
usile wena. Yabo.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't say it's a bad thing, but if you can be independent and push a client, do that. But if you feel like you need something that you feel like you don't have at the moment and ungayithola somewhere, find the means to get that thing. Maybe ngakusiza ukuthi uye somewhere.
Yes.
But it just depends on like the kind of a deal that you get yourself into.
So ungalindi wona ukuthi baze bak-approach. Uyiyele.
Noma yini nje.
Akithi kuzophuma kuwe ukuthi
Abanye bayakokota
uyifuna kangakanani
Yeah.
Sicela opportunity. Yabo. Yeah, abanye baya-approach afike. Especially when they see you catching the buzz. Yeah, they will approach you.
Uzokushaya ngabo 10%.
that's why kuya ngecontract necontract baba kuimportant mawuzo sign ama record label ukuthi ucave ukuthi kusifaka kuyini uyangithola ungavele songena ngoba usayinwe yini because ihlabelo wena sola Borai bangopile ngishaya ama hit 20 mara bangigaye 5000 yeah so kuzophuma kuwe
Yeah, that 5,000 comes from somewhere.
ngiyashodo
Yes, I'm kidding. Though. I'm kidding.
Intaba yase Dubai.
It's a lot of them. It's a lot.
Hayi niyazazi bafethu.
Are you guys signed? Nina nje.
nah I'm not signed Kim P.
Not yet.
Eish. Ngizoyibeka kanjani? I don't want to use the word signed, but like I'm working closely with a brother of mine.
Okay.
Chaotic. Yeah. So yeah, we pushing this movement as well. Like
Yeah.
he knows my piano also, you know, and it's pushing a step yabo. So yeah, that's why angifuna ukuyuza le gama elithi signed. Yeah.
Maybe partnership.
Yeah, like
Could
we're
be
working very closely together. Yeah.
Abobani like usafisa ukuspana nawo dog. Surely there are a lot of people in Fethu, like in the game that you'd like to collab with. You mentioned Casper and who else?
Do aka TRP. Yeah. Zinxumalo.
Zinxumalo. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Kabza ngifuna vi. Ngifuna kabza lo small food.
Kabza. Okay.
Yeah. DJ Maphorisa.
Hmm.
You know. Yeah.
Okay.
Babalo M would be dope as well. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Oskambo.
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 Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Mad.
first step, yeah.
Mad.
Okay.
Taxi. Yeah. The list is endless, but
But
like,
this is endless.
yeah.
And with you?
Yo, nami listipa ayamarafele Scorpion Kings
Okay.
funa ukuspana nabo Melo no Sleazy cause bashaya style sami Foka ya naye ya uye ngifuna nje sibangene nje sibawash.
Yo, you guys are kidding.
Yeah,
Dog. I
yeah.
can imagine that.
Yeah,
feeling.
you-
I can imagine it. It's gonna be fire.
it's a
man.
shy beat, we don't
Yo.
know how.
It's gonna be fire.
Hayo ningahamba
It's gonna be
mfana,
fire.
Foka yeah no Zinxumalo like babhaya
Yeah,
Brian
the
yeah.
list is endless.
Mina like the way babhanga khona mfethu as long as singahlangana nje
Yeah,
zingakhala
Zakhala.
yeah.
Talent ibhaya
Hayi
Joe,
ibhaya.
like ibhaya talent, yeah.
Yeah. So tell me, dog, if it happens that maybe someone from the game wants to work with you, and but as much as I think now, like you're very informative of like how the game looks like, of even what you deserve. If like you get a person of an now, but mawuthi ay man, this person wants to give me, he's the one gets to benefit. I don't benefit shit from this, or I just benefit like a piece of it from the cake, from the whole full cake that's there. Like how would you handle such a situation?
Yeah, yabona umuntu mawufuna ukusipana nawe ne, obvious uzobheka nawe ukuthi the main point for me is to look at the bigger picture.
Okay.
That's why it's very important ukuthi mawusifaka entweni know ukuthi usifaka entweni enjani. Kungcono mawuropiwa uexpectile ukuthi ayivele bazongoba yazi, but I'm looking at the bigger picture. This is what I'm going to benefit in the end. Boma, for example, maybe exposure wise, new audience, more audience, you know, coming to your side and things like that. So yeah, intonyana enjalo man, like kunokuthi phela abantu ababhaya they complain because they are surprised ukuthi baba treat us so because bebengazi ukuthi basifake kwini.
Yeah.
This is why bakhala kanje.
Yeah.
Mara if uyazi ukuthi usifake kwini anyeke ukhale leyo khala ngakhona. Ay this what it is in dog, you know. But for me it's a matter of looking at the bigger picture to keep.
Yeah.
In the long run mfethu ngizo achieve in. If izongispanela I work with you. Even if I know it's okay, maybe into ngayona it's not the one. But I'm like, okay. It's in your best lane la. Yabo. Yeah. Tonyana njalo.
And you're right, because I feel like Nami, it's just to add on that, because I feel like it's looking at the bigger picture. Because now, also you must do like something like self introspection. You see, and see you could see me nang lekangan. You see, if I need, you can see no, I still need in your audience.
Yeah.
So getting that exposure, obviously, you win, but at the same time you lose, because maybe you might not benefit like money-wise and stuff like that. Yeah, but getting that exposure will take you somewhere.
Yeah.
You see, you might use it
Definitely.
to your own advantage
Yeah.
going forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, so I think maybe people, they can learn one or two things from what you're saying. Yeah, it's all upon you.
It's upon you.
Yeah, so good to how do you view things? So
Go with your
yeah,
intuition.
yeah.
What you feel is right for you when you're jail.
with your instance, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, no. Ubuzile ukuthi asikubuzi ukuthi udropa nini. Udropa nani udropa, but you told us, dog. You said you're working on something with Jay-Z Key. Okay, what else, dog? What else then? I think that should
There's
be the
actually a
question.
lot coming, but
Okay.
first things first, I'm dropping a single on the 20th.
Okay.
Hip hop.
Okay.
Yeah, that's currently trending, dog. Sing la nyenya, yabo.
Yeah.
Yimi umalemon notumile manda. So we're dropping the song on the 20th. Visualize us dropping this coming Sunday. Yeah,
Okay.
it'll be out. Say radio and short nje premiere nje phela. So,
Yeah.
But yeah, next week Friday is on ngesingile, and then I also have an EP coming out with KOT Guitar Step.
Okay.
And then there's an EP, Jay-Z Kivier, piano. I'm also working on my solo album, because there's so much going on, bro. There's so much going on, yeah.
bro.
And there's a ngoma like this dropa nabanye abantu. That's all that I've been working with. I can't drop everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, I've been
Like
working on a
Istimela,
lot.
is it out? Istimela?
Stimela's out, bro.
Okay. I saw it on. Shout out, like freshman.
Yeah. Shout out
Those
to
guys
the-
are killing it. They are belling
Yeah.
those people. But
Stimela's moving.
yeah,
bro.
they are really
They shoot the
making
music
the
video
way.
ngasikudala for yona. So the music is also coming out very soon.
Okay.
Yeah. There's just a lot going on since Pittsburgh, it's just been it's just been moving,
Dog. There's something that I saw on the internet. I don't want to say where, dog. But there's something that I've saw, Uguti. One of the, I thought you were gonna mention this. I was waiting for this. actually. Uguti, one of the proud moments, or one of the things that you felt like you've achieved that had really felt like, yo, wow, I did this working with the DJ Clark and Fate.
Yo,
That's all I'm shit.
bro, DJ dog. He's like one of my main influences in making music, dog. Because back then I also like used to listen to DJ Kent.
Okay.
Bekashaya ama mega mix, dlala ama cappella, ama reprise, ama instrumental. That's where I also got like my inspiration to play like that. Because bengizibuza ukuthi udlala kanjani mntana yabo. So obviously ingoma zaka Clock nazo bezirotate ngalesa sikhathi, and they were big ingoma zaka Clock. And the sound yakhe bengithanda because
Yeah. They were very big. Like about
It's a-
remember, yo.
it sound like Inobukhotman, Inobustrata, like it's a fusion. I accommodate ngapha nangapha. So
yeah.
ngumuntu othanda isound enjalo ngithola.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, bro. Coming to where like how I met him. I have a friend of mine, DJ Guru. DJ Guru, he's friends with DJ Clock. So he told him about me. It's okay. There's this guy who in piano, Eventually they came to my place, dog, and we worked.
Damn, bro.
And yeah, man, we decided to make like an album and drop it under our trio name as Mass Movers. So there's an album out there, Mass Movers, Trifecta. Trifecta. Three. I see three on it. Yeah. Ningoma labo mashamplani. Man, easy
Ibhaya,
bar. Hey, yo. Hlangene jo, yeah. Sure. Yeah.
And also, dog, there's this thing, Bulalama artist, dog. This thing, like, it's continuously, like, killing a lot of artists. You see, hip hop, piano, like, bro, you can make, like, a dope song, and it doesn't reach where you thought it would. Like, how do you move? How do you go about it from then? Like, cause abanye they tend to be discouraged. Mundayeke because of abona you know what? I felt like this was one of the biggest hits, but it didn't. Yeah, well, maybe the public reception I received the way you thought it would. Yeah, well, it was a different story.
If it doesn't pop, it is what it is, Joe. Not every song that you do is gonna pop.
Yeah.
Yabo. And uma studio shaya ingoma, awuyenzi ngale mindset ukuthi le ngoma le izo-blow up.
Yeah.
Like ngihlala phansi ngenza hit manje.
Uzozikhetha Brian, uzozikhetha.
Yeah, ne?
Just do music. you
Wena
know.
yenza
Yenza
music
music
nje
kuphela relax.
omnandi.
Izozibambela umlilo, Joe.
Yeah, usishayela music omnandi. That's why ku important ukuthi ezaqashile uKim P. Mawuse studio show music nje yami. Mele ni ujayivele nina la. That's where uzowazi ukuthi le nanoma ngayikhipha zingakhala.
Yeah.
And if like batho abayinkade wena unani enkateng phusha umthela ipinatsi elimfethu
Not every song is gonna
yeah
pop.
mara utsibe gore batho mfethu yonke into oyenzayo ngikutshela na ku Facebook bra mina noma ungaposta umuntu wathola i1 like ungabi discouraged ukuthi phusha bayabona abanye abantu
Yeah.
mara nyeke ba like
Yeah.
uyangithola so wena uziphushele mara la ufuna ukufika khona uzofika nje yami uyangithola yeah injalo
Yeah, and dog, mfethu. When bro, you've been trending a lot like Gasla, mfethu. And apparently or allegedly you've been showing a lot of girls there, Gasla. Is it true, Lento?
yeah.
I said that. I'm telling you, bro. That's facts, Baba. With these clothing brands, bro. Take me back to you remember when we started. He said most people who used to wear his brand, it's who?
Gals.
Yeah, but
Why is that? Why is that?
Nah, bro, listen. It doesn't mean ngokuthi beyishawa bogeli bengibachawa na. I'm professional. I'm professional, bro. Yeah, ebantwini izoba kanjalo cause yeah. Why a lot of girls are wearing
Yes, that's the thing,
obviously
yes.
amajita uyazi mindset amajita bazothi I show you little K kanti na bro mina ngiyawuthe grand nje
Ngiyawuthe sharp,
ngiyawuthe I support Brian support yeah support yeah Nengosi, yeah, I have a baby boy. Yeah.
Okay, case closed then.
Yeah.
Okay. Gents. Yo, it's been a minute, dog, in phone. Hey, this guy is scarce, dog. This one.
Hey, bro.
At least, bro, when you're unreachable, dog. At least this one, little K, dog. Little K, you can get him on the phone. He would like he's gonna explain if like why he didn't manage like to get back to you and stuff like that. Debo, when are you unreachable, dog? What's going on with you, dog?
Span, Joe.
Celeb.
Span. Studio after studio, session after session.
Yeah.
If I'm shooting, I record. If I'm recording, giga. If I'm geeky, back to same thing, Joe.
Yeah.
Sing pilang music, dog.
Yeah, ne?
But I do find myself like time here and there to like relax and do whatever that I want to do, my social life basically. But like yeah, good piece, you know.
Yeah,
And
go
so,
busy, ne?
it's a nice
Go
life
yes,
problem. You know,
Nice life problems.
sort of.
Ooh, shish. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, but anyway, thank you very much, gents, like for pulling up.
Shout out, bro.
Danko,
Shout out.
danko.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you very much, gents.
Thank you, gents.
Bonga tsina bafethu.
Yeah, you can just I think we are about to wrap it up now. Or is it beats? I go into financial bubbles I on a dog. Like something dog. Something dog. Like just something
Like, you know what?
No, konde ba ishile labantu lava dog. Is there something that like you would like to highlight or what, dog? Let us know. Let us know, dog. Yeah, there's the mic there, dog. Yeah.
Speak on the mic.
Yeah, you can speak there, bro.
Yo, little K, my dog.
Yeah,
When are you dropping that EP, dog? When are you dropping
Okay,
that EP?
yeah, I'm dropping after my single A2, get lo drop a EP.
Okay.
Yeah, get lo drop a EP titled Life of a Sag. Yeah, you know, Saga ke nna bafethu. So yeah, get lo drop a EP, ke la le majita vele bo Easy, bo Kim P, Augusto, T Beats, all my niggas are there, le artists tse ding. le tsona di teng tse leng gore tla di bona ke dropa. Yeah, so I think ka summer nje ke tla dropa summer for now ke A2 season. Yeah, sibangena nge-A2 so yeah. Shout out Manika.
Okay.
To King P, dog. Abantu bafuna ukujiva phezulu. When is the event happening, my dog?
Hopefully 2nd of August.
Okay.
Like I'm 70% positive that 2nd of August is on. Something with Jay-Z coming up. Yeah, we're gonna do an event as well. So, yeah, 2 August. Lungisana mapogoto.
Yeah.
Aye, Konintezayo.
Yebo.
Yeah.
It's gonna be my birthday celebration as well, because my birthday is on the 28th of July. So that weekend, really, so share something.
Okay. Ojeni mom with the longest present.
Longest present, man.
Dog, there's something. We're about to wrap it up now. There's something that you said to Gucci, like you don't like change, but sometimes change is good, bro. You see? Yeah, change is good. Like, tell me, bro. Like, cause any futhi that caught my attention, Gucci, you don't limit yourself. You see, and that really, it got me thinking, Gucci, where exactly like do you want like to see yourself? Or where exactly like what's the destination place where you felt like, you know what, this is my destiny. If I can reach this level, bro, I'll be damn proud of myself, bro.
Yeah, as the Red Bull Symphonic.
Red Bull Symphonic.
Yeah, ila mashow lawa ashano kusho ukuthi manje an artist gets to perform like i-catalog yakhe of like most of my hits.
Okay.
Abayenzile. Kabza the Small. He did it ne orchestra.
Okay.
Yeah, and also Kelvin Momo recently. In those last week, he did the same thing.
Okay.
I see myself reaching that level, you know, having my own catalog and having like an orchestra or a choir or a live band performing my songs live. Like I'm a hit one. Just waiting for that moment, bro. It takes time, but it's gonna get there.
And what's yours, bro?
Mfana nakabona indaba ngincanyinyo kumina uthi yami yo.
You're money driven.
Yo.
Too much.
Mara nanoma ngincanywa angenzi ukuthi ngenzise into ezibhedayo ngithola. Fere mina mfana, especially okay via career yami ngathini ngifuna ukuba la ngifike to a point yokuthi nano ngishaya ama festival uthi yami. Yeah. Iyo into ngifuna ukuyenza kahle. Yeah.
Okay. I think I've thanked you guys well enough. You can just share your socials on that camera, then we will wrap it up.
Which one?
This one, bro.
Twitter, X, Instagram, it's KPMaster_SA. And then YouTube and Facebook, it's King P Ramela. Yeah.
Okay, now Instagram, it's TRU_True_LK. Facebook, it's TrueLK. Even on Twitter, it's TrueLK.
And TikTok,
And
KPMaster_SA. It's following love.
Yeah.
TikTok, TrueLK. Yeah, mfana wali hit.
All right. And thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are out. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Tango.
sir.